In this video, we will be working with the OpenPnP software. First, open the software and wait for a moment for it to start. After that, we will close the software. Insert the memory card in the control board and copy on the files from the memory card to the OpenPnP user folder. Next, we delete the old files and pass the new ones. That's it. Open the software again. The software interface will now appear with everything pre-installed by AFARCO. You can now be ready to use it without needing much further installation. Next, we will set up the COM port for the control board. Go to the manager and check what COM port the machine is showing. Then, we return to the OpenPnP software and reselect the COM port for it. Note that the control board's COM port will show up with the name serial device. And the COM port for the RS485 board is serial port. After checking the COM port number, we return to the driver section of OpenPnP. We will change the corresponding COM port. The camera display section also needs to be set up again. We will reselect the camera display if it's not currently showing. Go to the camera child section and reselect the camera vision. Note that the resolution we are using is 1280 x 720. Furthermore, you need to select the correct path of the camera, as the top camera and bottom camera have two different names. After that, we close and restart the software. The setup is now complete. Stay tuned for our next video.